y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. So yeah, let's get started. So I got this tag with this challenge from Nikki tutorials. She created it almost 9 months ago, back in April, and I wanted to do it on my channel today to just do something fun and different instead of the normal, oh, let me do my makeup. So this is going to be a challenge. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to read the rules really quick. So it says, the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge is simple. Type in the first letter of your first name and last name and add look at the end of the first image. And add in the first image on the image page is what you'll take inspiration from. She said look at the colors, textures, mood, settings, and use it all for the ultimate Google approved look. Okay, so I already did my face makeup and I did my eyes already. So well, I set my eyes and I did some of my face makeup. So let's get started. Let me go to Google on my phone, and then I'm going to type in, my first initial is A and my last initial is W. So I'm doing AW look. Okay, let's search. I'm nervous. Okay. Mine's popping up crazy stuff. Mine's doing crazy stuff. Like, this is the first image that popped up. What? Let's see. Let's like scroll it and then I'm gonna stop because it's like crazy stuff. Ooh, so I got this. Ooh, this is cute. Let's do it. This is my image. I had to kind of scroll because mine had memes, like black and white memes. So this is going to be the look that I'm going to create today. It has some blue, whites, and gold. So that's going to be my look for today. So let me go grab some products. Okay, so we're back. So again, this is my image. It has some blue and gold in there and some whites. So let's see what I create. I'm a little nervous. I was getting my makeup stuff and I was just like, okay, what am I gonna use to create this look? But let's just wing it, okay? I'm gonna clean my brush off first. And I'm gonna go in first as like a transition color with matte texture. So let me zoom in a little bit. So I'll lay down my transition color. Now for the white, I'm gonna go in with Rice Paper by MAC and place it on my brow bone because there is white in the picture. Okay, so next, let's see. There's some black in there too. It's a little hint of black. I got two images. How did I look up and do that? So what I think I'm gonna do, I think I want to do like a gold cut crease and then put some of the blue at the bottom. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I grabbed this gold and I have a gold in here, but I want to get that gold that matches exactly like that one. Okay, I'm gonna go in and cut my crease with the concealer. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make it into like a halo because the blue is in between the gold. So I'm gonna take a blue and make it into a halo. I'm gonna use this Milani eyeshadow. It's called Bella Navy. For my gold, I'm just gonna take I want to make the gold pop more, so I'm gonna take a BH Cosmetic brush and just really saturate my brush with the highlighter and get closer. For a little sparkle, I'm going to add the MAC Dazzle Liquid in, what is this called? Flash and Dash. And right in the middle, just to give it a little sparkle, because it looks kind of foiled in the picture. Go back in with that Texture by MAC and just blend it all together. I'm just gonna keep this real simple because I don't have any like blue blush. Let me look back at my picture. Yeah, I don't have any like, I do have like a goldy looking. I think I'm gonna mix this gold here with Sweetest Cocoa by MAC, which I've seen on my channel before. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Sweetest Cocoa on, and then I'm gonna put some of that Cappuccina by Crayon Case on top to give it that gold looking effect. Okay, and I'm gonna take, this is the Watch Me Blush palette by Crayon Case, and I'm gonna take Cappuccina right here and place that on top of my blush just to give it like a little gold effect. For highlight, I'm gonna take the Bobbi Brown Moon Glow highlighter. Really pretty. But whatever. Okay, so now we're going to the lips. So I've completed the look. I think it came out pretty cool. I don't know how I feel about the blue, but yeah, honey, let's go. So for lips, I wanted to do something gold as well on the gold side. So yeah, I grabbed, y'all already know, chestnut lip liner. Line my lips with that really quick. That. I don't want to make it too dark because I want you to be able to see the gold. And then I grabbed 2 lipsticks. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Let me swatch. I think I'm gonna go in with Beach Plum because I'm gonna add a gloss on top. It's called Beach Pop, excuse me. And then I'm gonna put Oh Baby by MAC on top of the lipstick to give that gold effect. That's cute. I want it to be a little more gold, so I'm going to add Gilded by ABH. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed, so this is the completed look. How do I feel about it? I would have never did this blue like this at all with the gold. I would have never done my eyes like this with this blue. I probably would add another color, but I think it came out really cute. Yeah, so I like it. It's cool. Google kind of played me a little bit because I had those memes at first, but it came out really cute. Let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel, something fun and creative like this video. So yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what y'all want to see next. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Until next time, bye.